right, guys. So if you're looking to play a reversal off of the deviation numbers given, pivots, right? There's two things you want to watch for. First, this is an obvious downtrend right now, right? So what would be the key for a reversal? You see the downtrend. We're stacked on all the EMAs down. We're breaking through deviations, little bounce. All we did is bounce to one deviation, reclaim the downtrend. And if you go to a 10-minute, you could see that. So where would this have qualified to play reversal? Well, you want a 5-8 cross on the 5-minute. So it would have qualified right here, but all you would have gotten was resistance at this deviation, right? 360, 255. So this was the setup right here. I wish I knew how to get the pointer, but this was the setup. Your confirmation was this candle here, right? Your base, your stop would be right below here. But once you saw these wicks coming, you should have just closed the position because, right, you're at the deviation, you're at a pivot, and you obviously have resistance. So it's resuming the downtrend. So it's not saying you won't see the same formation later today, maybe even here. And you'll get that same cross, but this time you want to see it take it out and would probably go 2 deviations. So it would go from this one to 361.20, which is S1 today. Then we'd go to our starting pivot. So that's how you decide if you're going to play a reversal on the deviations. If not, just stay with the longer term trend. And a good way to see that, go to a 15. If you have a hard time seeing what the trend is, go to a longer time period. Right? There's nothing in this 15-minute that says buy. You barely crossed the 8 here, you stopped at a deviation, and you kept going down. So that's a quick lesson on how to play these deviations for a reversal. Next one, when I see an entry, which is probably we'll do Monday at the start of the day, show you how to do an entry off the open. All right, I will speak to you guys later.